Morning all. Welcome to the beautiful DC5. Apart from this, horrible, nasty condensation, yellow, cracking on the other side from the UV. But no more. Today these are getting replaced. So it's been the biggest bugbear of mine, these front headlights, for ages. Gareth knows this. People that follow the channel, I've mentioned it in previous videos. They're rubbish and they really let down the front of the car. But no longer. Today we are replacing them. I've got brand new ones, overnight parts from Japan, kind of. Get it all swapped out and then you can see the end result. Okay, so here we go. Unboxing the new headlights.
Stop making it awkward.
Yeah, stop making it very awkward.
I don't know.
Here we go. So,
I assume you've already opened these before.
I've opened these already because they've been ceramic coated.
Oh yeah.
Good balance.
Shiny.
Nice and shiny.
Clear as well.
Very clear. A little bit dusty.
Bring them into the camera a bit more. I'll talk to it a little bit. Very nice.
There you go.
Very nice.
One for that side, and then obviously one for the other side.
They're literally naked.
Yep. And there's the other side.
I can't believe there's no like covers or nothing, or they're not sealed.
No.
I'm amazing that's how Honda ship them. I would have thought they'd put like just a bung or
Yeah.
a sticker. I'm sure why do they do that on the modern ones?
They might do. They're not
Ballast
even.
goes there.
They got nothing for the ballast as well, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They must. That must be acts as a sort of a damp. What's it called? To absorb dampness as well. That bag thing.
Yeah.
I think it looks like a diaper. Oh Lord God, he's looking for imperfections now.
So there we go, boys and girls. All done. Headlights are replaced. Just look at them. It's like a brand new car. I should have done it sooner. I don't know why I've waited so long, but it really has transformed the front end of the car. And I'm over the moon with it. Can't wait. I can't wait to take it to shows and show it off and see what it's like in the dark in a funny way, because those headlights are probably causing,
Improved visibility.
yeah, probably causing loads of issues at night, but I'm stoked.
Being the fact they've got factory xenons, it's gonna, the light improvement's gonna be phenomenal.
Thank you to Gareth for helping me align them as well. When you fit them and you're lining it up, you'll probably see on the video it's quite fiddly to get it in the right place, but got there in the end.
It's knowing the sort of pickup points.
Yeah.
Obviously, I know these cars like the back of my hand, so.
Yeah, and I'm more of an Audi guy because I work on them.
Three sins.
Yeah. We'll get there. But no, thanks again for tuning in and watching this video. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to Gareth. It's always great fun doing this and sharing it with you guys. It's amazing. So thanks again. Like, subscribe, and share all the hell out of them.
Cheers, guys. Well there, boys and girls, hope you've enjoyed that little episode there. Part of the ongoing little mini series we're doing with Richard and Charlie's Integra DC5. Beautiful car. It's got to be one of the cleanest examples in the UK. Really has. And changing those headlights has just made such a big impact on it. But yeah, if you're definitely into Integra DC5s, you know, continue to watch. We will do more videos as and when Richard's got more bits to do to it. We'll be on my stand at Mimms Honda Day, Santapod, next weekend. So come and look at that if you want to have a look at it in person. And obviously all the other cars that are going to be on the stand, including my CRZ. We will also be together on the DC5 Integra Type R Owners Club stand. I'm not sure if that's actually the title of the club, but it's along that lines. They've allowed me to be on their stand, so it's going to be a bit strange. Maybe they'll hide me in a corner somewhere so you can't see me. But that's going to be good. That's at Jap Fest Silverstone, so that's going to be a great day as well, as it always is. Just can't wait to get out and do some shows. You know, it's been so minimal what we've been able to do the last 2 years with obviously COVID restrictions and such. Anyway, boys and girls, we're now going to go do some rolling shots of the car. Coming back on the roads, obviously Richard and Charlie keep the Integra pretty much off the road half the year, to keep the mileage down and obviously to keep it in its best of condition, because we do heavily salt our roads. So yeah, we're going to take it for a little run now, do some rolling shots, just make sure everything's alright, ready for the first show next weekend, because it's only just gone back on the road today. So I'm going to leave you with those shots. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video, boys and girls. Bye bye.